As the dawn breaks on April 1, 2026, thousands of Zimbabwean civil servants are poised to witness a salary adjustment reflected in their bank accounts, while the government, through its various pronouncements, endeavors to portray this is a magnanimous gesture of appreciation for the tireless efforts of their workforce. Sarabina mashukobdanyo kwa pangwa ino agency leaked info reviews EDC panic, while President Mnangagwa suddenly increased teachers and nurses salaries. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina now, pangwa ino mubdanyo kwa mchinzi. This is not merely planned economic upliftment designed to genuinely improve the livelihoods of civil servants. Rather, it stands exposed as a desperate, last-minute firefighting measure. This urgent intervention was triggered by highly sensitive intelligence reports detailing an imminent, coordinated nationwide strike by nurses and teachers, a collective action that threatened to paralyze the country's essential services and plunge the nation into further instability. Internal sources within the Ministry of Finance, speaking on condition of anonymity due to the sensitive nature of the information, have indicated that the hastily conceived adjustment package was cobbled together in less than 72 hours. With this frantic scramble followed explicit strike notices issued by the Zimbabwe National Association and various teachers' unions, signaling a total withdrawal of labor. The government, already grappling with the profound political fallout in public discourse and stemming from the contagious 2030 constitutional controversy, simply could not afford the devastating optics of empty hospital wards and shattered school fees gates. Such a scenario, it was feared, would not only exacerbate the existing political tensions, but also serve as a potent symbol of the state failure. Our meticulous analysis of the nominal figures presented by the government, juxtaposed against historical economic data, unequivocally demonstrates that while the new figures may appear superficially attractive, the actual purchasing power of these adjusted salaries remains significantly lower than the baseline established in 2018. Doma developments are popangwa in a pinnacle message shemedu za fungura aim to live on the so subscribe or like on the bell icon.